An important technique that you need to know how to do to create amigurumi is a decrease stitch. This is where you are going to take 2 crochet stitches and turn them into 1. What we're doing is we are finishing our ball. We start and we increase, and then we start to decrease to finish off the ball. I'm going to show you how to do a decrease. Now, I'm going to take it a step further because with amigurumi, you want your decreases to be nice and smooth. We're going to do what's called an invisible decrease. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to look at the anatomy of it here. You have your crochet stitch here. There is the hole that you are going to normally crochet through. There is a front loop and there is a back loop. When we do an invisible crochet, we are actually working in the 2 next front loops. I'm going to be working in front loop, and then I'm going to grab the next front loop. And we're going to do that with our crochet hook. I'll show you how to do that. The first part is through the front loop. Then we go again through the second loop. Now, personally, I twist. Some people are able to do it just straight through. What I do is I bring my hook and I grab that front loop and I twist through. Now my hook is through the 2 front loops. I should have 3 loops on my hook. We have your working loop and then the 2 front loops here. I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to pull through those front 2 loops. All right, now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is our first decrease. Okay, let's try that again. Front loop. Again, what works for me is I swing around and I pull through that front loop, 2 front loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. There's my second decrease. Okay. We just went from having 2 crochets to 1 crochet stitch.